Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you haven't entered my giveaway, make sure you do, link down below. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of new products that I bought recently. Most of them are from like Morphe and more affordable places and things that I've accumulated and like just haven't shown you yet. I probably have shown you on my Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen all this before. But we're literally just gonna jump right into the video. So the first thing I bought was this Madison Beer palette from Morphe. I saw so many people talking about this and I don't really know why Madison Beer is famous. Like, I know she has like a couple of like really catchy songs, maybe that's it, but I just remember her from like TikTok memes.
I actually don't know. I feel like I hate saying this because then everyone on Twitter is like, you're lying, I hate you. I was supposed to be in the video.
No, I actually wanted you to be.
So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty and super classy. I've actually used it on my eyes today, so if you want to know how it turns out, stay tuned for the next video. So it's really awkward because I've already used all this stuff, so I had to like put it back in the packaging for this video. But this is what the palette looks like. It does come with a sheet like on the inside, which I wish they would just put the names on the palette. I don't know if that like costs more to make or what like the reason for not doing it is, but yeah, I wish they would do that. It comes with 20 shades. It comes with a bunch of really pretty shimmery shades. I've got this one here on my inner corner today and a bunch of like really pretty warm tone mattes. Also got a couple of cool tones and some purples, which is really fun. The palette's like super sleek, super compact. Morphe shadows are always really good anyway. If you haven't picked this palette up already, definitely put it like on your wish list because I definitely think it's one that's worth it. The next thing is pretty boring, but I got a magnetic palette from Morphe just because I have a bunch of shadows that are in like a MAC palette and it's not magnetic, so every time I open it they like fall out. So it's literally just a Z palette and it's all black and it says Morphe, except these are cheaper than a normal Z palette, so I prefer to just pick this up because I can grab it in store as well and have it straight away instead of ordering it online. Next thing I got is this Morphe brow kit, and it is what I used for my brows today, and I got the shade Latte just because I always apply like too much product and I didn't want it to be like too dark, and I actually feel like it's like the perfect shade, especially because my natural hair is like peeking through. I absolutely hate my natural hair. It's like a really like ashy brown. It looks kind of like grey when it like comes in, so yeah, I always dye over it. So this comes with 5 products. Comes with the brow cream in Latte, the brow pencil in Latte, the brow gel in Clear, the Oh Brow Baby under eye highlight stick, and the Morphe 158. It's got like a flat angled section and a spoolie on the end. It's a really good brush. I always use like my MAC one. This is a little bit longer than the MAC one, but I used it today and I didn't have any issues with it, and it's got a spoolie, so I love that. And the eyebrow pencil has a spoolie on the end as well, which is really good. I can finally like chuck all this packaging out now. I've had this sitting here for like a week or so, just wanting to like chuck the packaging out. The next thing I got is the Morphe 8M Medium Vibes Complexion Pro palette. This is a face palette. This is what I've used on my whole face today. So I've done bronzer, contour, blush, under eye highlight, and face highlight. So it's definitely like a really versatile palette. This is what the palette looks like here. So you have a highlight shade, 2 bronzers, a contour, 2 blushes, and 2 highlights. So I've used this underneath my eyes, like on my concealer. I use this bronzer on my face. I use this to contour. I use both blushes because I'm extra and I couldn't decide. And then I use this highlight, which as you can see, I've even blended it out and it's like insane. And they've got like multiple shades of this. I think this is the 2nd or 3rd lightest one that you can get, but it's definitely like really warm. I think there is a cool tone one that you can get as well. I've probably used this like 4 or 5 times since I've had it, and it's so good. Like, it's so easy. I can use it when I'm tanned as well as when I'm fair like today, and it's just really easy. I'm definitely going to be taking this when I'm like traveling or when I'm going to my boyfriend's because he actually lives like a few hours away. It's definitely really good and really compact. It's like multiple products in one product. I feel like I want to switch it up from like Morphe. So the next thing I got was the Lanolips Lemonade Lip Treatment, and this is just like a lip treatment. But it's really cool. When like you put it on your lips, it literally tastes like a lemonade icy pole, and oh my god, it smells really good, it tastes really good, it makes my lips feel really hydrated, and you can leave it like overnight. I just put it on like every morning, but then like my mask kind of rubs it off anyway, and it makes me happy to put on because it smells so good. Is that a thing? The next thing I got, which I actually wanted to try out in another like full face new products video, was the Fenty concealer. I'm using it all over my face today, so I'm actually not wearing a foundation. This is literally like just the concealer all over my face. I got the shade 185. I thought this was going to be super light. When you look at the packaging, it looks really light, like in the packaging, but on my face obviously it's not like too light. I thought I was only going to be able to put it like in the center of my face. I actually had to bronze my neck because it was too dark for my face, so it definitely might pick up like a lighter shade, but I'm gonna see how it goes when I fake tan. I usually like a really light concealer when I fake tan, and I feel like this might be like too dark. I never know until I try, and I always say like something's not gonna work and then it like ends up working out. So yeah, bottom line, I'm gonna try it when I'm fake tan. But I did like the formula. I definitely liked how it applied. It was really smooth. Didn't really have any complaints about it. It's just not like a full coverage. I'd say it's like a medium to full coverage like once you build it up, because I could still see like my redness on my cheeks peeking through and stuff like that. It doesn't say on the box that it claims to be full coverage, but just in case you were wondering if it was full coverage. The next thing I got when I ordered like all that Rare Beauty stuff from the American Sephora, it's the Milk Makeup Sephora Beauty Insider. I think this was actually like a gift with purchase or something like that. Comes with a mascara, a lip and cheek duo thing, which I actually have on my cheeks today. It's like a cream blush, and the Hydro Grip Sample Primer. I did order the Hydro Grip Primer, like the full size, and it actually wasn't able to be shipped to me because it had like cannabis in it, so I don't know why I like this one, maybe because it's a smaller size, but it comes with like a little size of the primer, a little cream blush, and a mascara, which I actually have way too many mascaras. I do not need another mascara. This is my mascara tub. I obviously have like way too many mascaras, and like some of them are like still in boxes and everything, and I just like, I don't need any more. I'm definitely going to try and like go through some mascaras and maybe not try like any more new mascaras, just because I have like way too many. And as I say that, I'm looking at this mascara which I tried today. It's the Morphe Make It Big mascara in bold black. I have it on my eyelashes today and I really liked it. I do have a lash lift, so my eyelashes like stick straight up, so it was a little bit messy to apply, but I don't know if that's because of the mascara or just because of my lashes. But it was really black, gave me really nice length and volume. It is a little bit like clumpy, but I don't really mind clumpy lashes. So, and the packaging's like so pretty. I should probably like show you what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty. It's so sleek. It's got like a raised Morphe. I would definitely use this again, but I'd probably reach for it more just because the packaging is really pretty and it makes me feel like really bougie when I put it on. So if you want to see me using this mascara, definitely like check out my next video because I show you like the brush and like how I use it and all that kind of stuff. So this one was like a gift with purchase as well. It's the Nude Sticks Magnetic Nude Glimmers in 99% Angel. Now that I'm looking at this, I feel like this is a cream eyeshadow. It doesn't say, but I use this as a cream highlight, like underneath this highlight here. It was super blinding, which is now why I think it was a cream eyeshadow. I might like put a little edit on the screen and let you know if it was a cream eyeshadow, but either way, it worked really well for the face. And we're nearly done, I promise. The next thing I got was from Mecca. I originally went into Mecca with my friend. I wanted to see like the Hourglass, like 6-pen palette that has like all the shades, which I already have one of the shades in there. I kind of just want to see like the pan size, and it's like $120 like in Australia. It might even be more, and the pan sizes are like tiny. And I know that like I always go on about how much I love sample sizes and stuff like that, but I feel like if I'm paying $120 for a palette, I kind of want to get like full sizes. Anyway, long story short, I went in and I picked up this instead. This has nothing to do with that palette, but I just saw it and I really wanted to try 2 of these primers. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Trio. It didn't say it on the front. I was like, what the hell is this? So it comes with the Primerizer, the Photo Finish Primer, the original Smooth and Blur one, and the new Vitamin Glow Primer. So I did use the Primerizer today on my face, and it was really nice. It's a bit more thin than like my Australis one is, which I do like. I feel like the Australis one is a lot more cold when you put it on though. That one was kind of just like, you know, like a normal primer, but then it made my face feel like really tacky. I feel like my concealer like really stuck to the primer, which is really nice. I'm definitely going to use it again, and I'm definitely going to use the Vitamin Glow one. I think I'm going to give the Smashbox one to like someone I work with or something like that, just because I don't think I'd ever use that one. I'm more obsessed with like the pore minimizing primer. That's like my all-time, like, it's like my all-time fave. I don't know why I did that. Like, I'm not cool whatsoever. Like, I always try to be like cool and like hip and, you know, but I'm just not. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm just not cool. I think I got this Morphe Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Metallic Flare. I'm wearing the gold one on my eyelids today, and these are so pretty. These are like the Still Magnificent Metals eyeshadows, but they're like not as thick, so I find like they're a little bit easier to blend on the outer edge. This is the shades that come with it. It comes with Fury, Drippin' and Torch. I have Drippin' on my eyelids today, and I'm definitely going to be picking up more. I don't feel like they've creased or anything like that. Even metallic, and I was waiting for Morphe to come out with something like this, like just a more like affordable option than like the Stila ones. Been thinking about picking those ones up. Definitely pick them up because I think they're definitely worth the money. Come on to the last thing. If I'm not, I will include it in the next video. The Nikita Dragon palette. I was gifted this, and this is so pretty. When I saw this palette, when they like did like their sneak peek, I was like, oh my god, that is so pretty. When I got the Morphe Jaclyn Hill 2 palette, I literally said, this is me in a palette. I kind of feel like this is me in a palette. Like, I don't know, are they just like going, what palette would Phoebe like? Because this is literally something that I would love. I'm not really like the biggest fan of Nikita. Like, I don't have anything against her, but I'm not like a fan. Like, I don't watch her or anything like that. But this is what the palette looks like. It is super pretty. It's got such fun bright colors. I definitely like how it's got a lot of like neutrals that you can play with, and then some more like warm tones shimmers. And then you dip into like your cool tones and your pinks and purples. You've got a bunch of like bright colors, and then you've got like really interesting, like, this is like a double shade like duochrome and purples, and it's just like so fun. Packaging is the same, like Morphe sleek packaging. Front is like really cool. I know her promo video was like cartoon, like anime sort of stuff. It was actually a really cool promo video. I'm super excited to try this palette out. I might try it in another video, but yeah, I got that one. That was everything that I got recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't entered my giveaway, make sure you check that out down below. And I don't really have anything else to say, but I hope you guys are having a really good day and you're enjoying my content lately. If you are, make sure that you leave me a comment, like this video, message me on Instagram. I respond to everyone who messages me and comments, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.